Welcome to kurumicooks. You can find this recipe and more at my website kurumicooks.co.uk. This recipe shows you how to make a Japanese chicken curry using golden brown curry roux. Here are the ingredients for 4 servings. 1 pack of golden curry. This has 8 pieces in it, but you will only need 6 for this recipe. This is the hot type, but you can use milder versions if you wish. 650 grams of chicken breast or thigh if you prefer. 160 grams of onion. 300 grams of potato. 1 stick of celery. 300 grams of carrots. 1 centimeter of ginger. 2 cloves of garlic. 1 teaspoon of cumin. 1 teaspoon of coriander. 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. You will also need 600 ml of water and 4 portions of cooked rice. Peel and cut the carrots and celery into 1 cm pieces. Peel and cut the potatoes into about 2 cm pieces. Peel and halve and cut the onions into 6 pieces each. Peel and mince the ginger and garlic. Cut the chicken into bite-sized chunks. Heat the oil in a large pan, add the ginger and garlic. Then add the onion and celery and stir for 1 minute. Add the cumin and coriander and stir for 2 minutes. Add the chicken and stir for 1 minute. Add 600 ml of water. Add the carrots, potatoes, soy sauce, and tomato ketchup. Bring to the boil and cook for 15 minutes over medium heat. Add the 6 pieces of curry roux. When the roux has softened, mix the pan well. Simmer for 15 minutes with the lid on. Stir well to prevent the bottom sticking. Your golden chicken curry is ready. The flavor matures if rested a few hours. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel here. See you again soon.